How to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. In the search bar, search for TikTok. Head over to this application. Right here you can see the option of update, which means that your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Wait for a while for it to complete. Most of the time, updating the application has fixed the issue that you have been facing. Now once the application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is to head over to your settings of your device. Move into apps. Tap on see all apps. Right here search for the application TikTok, and then head over to it. Move into storage and cache. Clear the cache and the storage of this application. While clearing the cache and storage will remove all of the unwanted blocks from the application, and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on TikTok. But if you are still facing this issue, then what you can do is simply report the problem to the TikTok support. Once the report has been submitted, after 24 hours they will definitely come up with some solution for you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was your tutorial update on how to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.